Okay, I'm in the shed. I've got some plastic on the floor down here beside my foot, as you can see, and I also have a fire blanket here. So I'm now pulling the fire blanket over the plastic bag, and the idea is to see how well the fire blanket will protect that plastic bag. I've got the oxy here, as you can see. I'll just check. Yep, got the oxy here. So run that on there like that, which is well and truly exceeding the specifications of this fire blanket, I would imagine. It's pretty impressive. Make sure that's right down. Now, just out of interest, I'll do that, and then I'll run and you can see that it just melts the plastic immediately. This is just a plastic bag that comes out of any old bloody stuff that you might receive in the mail. Okay, let's have another look. That's not bad. There's a tiny little bit of damage there, but I can still touch it. I can still touch the fire blanket this side. It's warm, but it's not overly hot. It's pretty impressive. We'll hold it up really close this time. Okay, so that burned a hole in it. That's pretty fierce. That's pretty fierce. Rightio. So the object of that exercise was to see if this would be any good, this fire blanket would be any good for protection of my camp, my tent floor. Because, as a lot of people would know, cooking in the tent does present some hazards when you're using a flame. I'm pretty impressed by that, you know. It's not bad, is it? I mean, that second time I gave it a go, I absolutely hammered that. That's amazing. And that second time, you know, there's no way you're going to have a flame like that in your tent, you know, for that length of time. You're not going to hold it there continuously and let it burn, are you? You're going to reject it from the tent as fast as you can if you have a mishap. So my idea is to cut a section of this out and just carry a section of it for the tent, and I think it'll be ample because I just use jet boil stoves, and I use a MSR, you know, International, Whisper Light International as well. So I feel that will work really well. It certainly takes a lot of the risk out of camping, cooking inside the tent when the weather's really inclement. Rightio, I'm pretty pleased with that. I hope that all came out, and we'll edit it and see what it's like.